Okay, so good afternoon, everyone. In today's session, we'll discuss about the mini project status. So, in the last one, I have shared a sheet. On 25th August 2020, following students have given their topic name, status, and review on the project. Okay, so starting from the Sujit. Sujit, am I audible? Sujit, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Sujit. So, last session you have provided the topic name, facial expression recognition, and the Suryas Tiwari, Swarnapallo Bhaskar. The Swarnapallo is also presented, and Suryas is not. Suryans is also presented. So, guys, please explain what have you done in the last week and what is updation in your project. You can share some slide or you can share some resources. You can also share some URL if you have access and refer that. Okay, go on.
Sir,
Yes, Surya.
we have collected data sets for this means see for each and every age group we have to recognize that what is his facial expression. So means we have to collect huge database. So we are collecting database means uh, 3000 near about 3000 data sets we have collected. So now first of all we will work on ANN only. If the result will not be perfect, then we will move to CNN. Means we are working on CNN only till now.
ANN only.
Yes,
ANN, artificial neural network.
yes.
Okay, I think CNN is a part of ANN, so you have to opt for the convolutional neural network, and you can go to the some advancement into the CNN. Okay, so have you referred some website? Any website for that?
Sir, we have a mentor. He's teaching us how to do.
Okay. Uh, Sujit, what have you done by you? What is the role of other members? Sujit, Suryans, and
Sir,
Swarna.
but
Suryans.
Sir,
we have
everyone
not
is collecting data sets till now.
data sets.
So what are the features you are considering in your data set?
Sir, happier faces, sad faces, and neutral faces, and some faces like a sudden feeling, sudden joy, and this type of categories.
Okay, okay. So are you creating your own data set or you are referring some other data set?
No, sir, we are creating our
Sir,
own. We are means
yes, sir.
downloading pictures, different types of pictures, and we
Downloading
are
pictures and
creating our.
extracting frames from the videos.
Yes.
Okay, so uh, what are the tools you are using for that?
Sir, Jupyter notebook.
No, retrieving the data set. Jupyter Notebook is for programming.
Dataset retrievals are online from Google and frames extraction by using OpenCV only.
Okay, so I have shared a Google Sheet link. Please, Suji, Suryan, and Swarn, please provide you all the information required in the Google Sheet. And information should be filled by each and everyone because I will use this sheet to mark your attendance. Okay?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you. Go ahead. Okay,
Thank
next,
you.
Priya, Miss Priya.
Yes, sir.
Priya, I think the last time you have not finalized the topic, and so what is the status?
Sir, I along with my partner decided to show a website. We decided to make a website for this.
Okay.
Hello,
Which type of website?
sir. It is a wedding photography shoot website.
So, are you going to provide any tools for enhancing the photographs?
Sorry, sir.
Are you going to provide any features for photography? Am I audible, Priya?
Sir, yes, sir. Sir, you are asking which type of features?
Uh, like
Any extraordinary things for those photography
like
sessions?
image filter, image enhancement. Yeah, suppose you
Hello,
want, yeah, go ahead. Yes.
sir.
Oh,
This website is for the people who are going to have their wedding, and they want to hire some photographers. So we'll be appointing. We'll be giving those photographers to them for that.
okay.
Uh,
Okay. And I think in your project, Susmita is okay. Susmita is present. Susmita, what is your role? What you have done in last week? Susmita present?
Sir, actually, we told. Hello, sir.
Yes, yes,
So
yes.
we
Go ahead.
told about this to Vimal sir, but he said that we should try something else. Like we should try from doing it from ML project and all. So we just dropped that idea of website. But now we want you to confirm this if you are agree with this
No,
website
I
thing.
am completely agree with your idea, but I think you have not finalized the features. What kind of a features you are going to provide in your website? Suppose you are providing the photographer, so uh, how can you add the photographer? How can you make the rating of the photographer? And based if you are applying some machine learning approaches, classification or clustering algorithm in our website.
Sir, we were thinking about those feature, but when Vimal sir said to us to drop that idea, so we stopped thinking and asked uh, and waited for you to decide it for us. Um, on the next class,
Okay.
I will be sharing those features with you. Okay.
One moment. So uh, uh, let us search on the Google because is it visible? Priya, uh, you can view the Chrome tab.
Yes, sir. It's visible.
Let us find out. So you are trying to make this kind of website, no? Okay, it's okay if you want to pursue in HTML and CSS designing phase. That also has a great career. Um, and if you want to apply some machine learning approach in the background of the website, that will be very much helpful. For example, suppose I'm clicking on the vendors. So it is okay. It is designed by the HTML5 and CSS. But uh, how can you display this sequence of vendors? Suppose these are the different vendors. So how can you provide the sequence? Which algorithms you are going to consider for that are based on their pictures? Are you applying some feature extraction on the picture posted by them? And based on the feature extraction, are you going to make any changes? For example, if you are talking about the Flipkart and Amazon, so based on the user rating, based on the product advantage, they are um, making a sequence of those features. One moment, guys. Sorry for inconvenience. So, Priya, I'm suggesting you can apply ML approaches to make a order of these photography. Again, we can apply. There are plenty of opportunity to apply the ML approaches within the website. Okay, so try to search it on if you are finding it
Okay.
more useful. Then we can make an additional session for that. I'm not suggesting you that you should drop the idea of it, but if you want to pursue this idea, you have to be more creative in it. Okay? Okay, guys.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you,
Okay, sir.
Priya.
Sure, sir.
What is the role of your
Thank you, sir.
Susmita? Susmita is there? Susmita? Not present. Okay.
Sir, I think
Okay, okay. I have shared a Google Sheet link with you in a chat box, so please fill the link and ask your partner to fill also the link. Okay, thank you, thank you. Next is Tanmay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Tanmay, you have provided a topic e-pause for curfew. So, what is the progress?
So basically, we are making a web app using PHP and SQL as a backend,
Okay.
in which we are creating e-pass for curfew, as provided by our government. E-pass is required in the curfew moment.
Mhm.
So that's why I made.
Go ahead, better go ahead.
Yeah, that's why I made this web
One
app.
moment, one moment.
Sure.
Hello. Sorry for interrupting. Tanmay, please go ahead.
Yeah, so we are basically done with the prototype. That is, we have created the web app. Just integrating it with the backend is left, and we'll save some database also, some
Mhm.
data for
Okay.
created epass. We are three members: me, Sumit Prasad and Shan Sharma. I am
Okay.
creating the backend. That is, I'm working on the SQL Server. Uh,
Okay.
Sumit Prasad and Shan Sharma are working on PHP, and they are creating the UI of the web app.
Okay. 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 Tanmay. So please ask your members and you also. Please fill the Google Excel sheet
Yeah, yeah. So
and
today
please carry on with your project. Okay.
one of our
Yes.
members is from E1 group. Shreyansh Sharma is from E1 batch, and me and Sumit are from E2 batch. Is it okay? So I have asked with Vimal sir, and he said it's completely okay because we are already done with the prototype in UI. So I think we can't change right now.
It's okay. It's okay. Go ahead. No problem. No issues. Okay. But
Okay.
you all have to justify your work
Yeah,
and
yeah. We'll,
contribution.
today I will
Okay.
justify it, so no problem.
Okay. Okay, Tanmay. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you very
Okay.
much.
Swarna is okay. Suryansu is okay. Priya. I think student who have discussed their project status, they can leave the meeting. But please fill the Google Sheet before leaving the meeting. Okay. I will open the session for other student and please ask other student to join the session. Thank you, Priya. You can leave the meeting. Sujit, I think we have discussed, so you can also leave the meeting. Tanmay, you can leave the meeting. It's okay.
Okay,
Thank
thank you,
you,
sir.
guys. Thank you.
Thank you.